Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is regarded as the pride of Indian music industry. Blessed with beautiful voice, she was the most well-known Indian vocalist. Highly versatile, she sang in more than 20 languages. She sang songs in more than 1000 Bollywood Hindi movies. Lata Mangeshkar is also known as the Nightingale of India. Lata was born on 28 September 1929 inches, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, as the daughter of Dinnath Mangeshkar, who was a classical singer as well as a theatre artist. She was the first child of the Mangeshkar family. She was born in Indore, but brought up in Maharashtra. When she was 5 years old, she began working as a theatre artist in Sangeet Nataks. She also started taking singing lessons from her father. Lata sang her maiden cinematic song for the Marathi film Kiti Hasaal, 1942. Her father did not like the idea of his daughter singing for films. So, her song was deleted from the movie. Unfortunately, in the same year, she lost her father. Due to the sudden demise of her father and unsound financial condition of the house, she decided to play small roles in various Hindi and Marathi films. She had to take up acting assignments, despite the fact that she was not at all fond of acting. In the year 1945, she happened to meet the film producer S. Mukherjee through Ghulam Haidar. Haidar personally wanted her to be given an opportunity to show her singing talent. However, S. Mukherjee did not like her voice and refused to give her a chance to sing for his film. At that point of time, Haidar promised himself that he would establish her as a singer in Bollywood. He even told the producer that a time would come when all producers and directors would fall at her feet and beg her to sing for their films. Lata got her biggest break when she was given the chance to sing the song Aayega Aanewala for the movie Mahal. The song was a super-duper hit. The period of 1950s witnessed tremendous growth in her career. She rose to the top in the list of Bollywood singers. She worked with all the famous composers of that era like Shankar Jaikishan, S.D. Burman, Naushad, Hemant Kumar, and Salil Chowdhury. Shankar Jaikishan were absolutely stunned by her voice and used her voice for playback singing in almost all the movies that they got. The period of 1960s made her the queen of Bollywood playback singing. She sang for almost all the prominent composers of the industry and gained a firm foothold in Bollywood. Her songs got an overwhelming response from people all over the country. During the 1970s, she recorded songs for Bollywood actress Meena Kumari in the film Pakeeza, which brought her even more recognition and popularity. She sang songs for S.D. Burman in films like Prem Pujari, Sharmili, and Abhiman. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, Lata Mangeshkar worked with the children of the music composers, with whom she had worked in the past. In the year 1990, Lata established her own production house. Its first and last film, Lekin, was a total flop. She also sang some non-film songs, including ghazals. She sang quite a number of Bengali songs with renowned music directors like Salil Chowdhury and Hemant Kumar. Lata Mangeshkar also composed music and produced movies. She was very fond of cooking. She always sang barefoot. She won Filmfare Awards in 1958, 1962, 1965, 1969, 1993, and 1994. National Awards in 1972, 1975, and 1990. Maharashtra State Award in 1966 and 1967. Padma Bhushan in 1969. In 1974, she entered the Guinness Book of World Records for having sung the maximum number of songs in the world. She got Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1989. In 2001, she got the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Besides these, she got many other awards. Lata Mangeshkar passed away on the 6th of February 2022, leaving behind a legacy of beautiful music that will continue to inspire generations.